In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add a picture to a frame here in Canva. Now, this is really easy to do, and first off, we're going to need a frame. Now, to find these, we can come over to Elements just here. Then, if we scroll all the way down, we're going to see Frames just here. Now, if we click on See All, we have lots of different categories that we can choose from. Now, for this example, what we're going to do is click on Basic Shapes and use one of these. Now, let's go with a circle. Now, to add a picture to this is very simple. Now, there's two ways to do this, and what we can do is simply find the picture that we want to use, drag it straight into the frame, just like that, and now we have the picture in the frame. Now, to detach this or to delete it, we can simply click onto this, click onto the little delete icon, and then choose whether we want the image deleted and or the frame. Now, for this example, we're going to click delete image. Now, if we come back over to elements, we can simply click onto the picture that we want to use. It's going to add it to the canvas like this. Then we can click on there and simply drag into the frame as well. Now, if it's not lined up on how you want it, we can simply double click onto that image, and then we have the option to crop. So this way we can adjust the image to exactly how we want, click on done, and then that is done as well. Now, we can also add a border to this if we want. This is the same for most frames as well. So all we have to do is click on there, come up to the top where it says border style. If we click on there, we have a few different options that we can choose from, but I'm going to use the solid option just here, and then we can play around with the border weight to increase that thickness. If we want a different color, we can simply click onto the border color next to the border style, which is just here. Then we can simply add our own hex code of a color that we want to use just here. We can also choose a color from the image that we used by coming to here where it says photo colors, and this is going to pull most of the colors from that photo. We can also use default colors down here as well, and or a gradient. Now, for this example, let's go with a pink, just like that. But nonetheless, that's just how simple it is to add a picture to a frame here in Canva. Now, if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it really helps out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, click right here and watch this playlist.